Look at me with your sleepy eyes. All your looks and free, we don't have to hide. I just wanna touch your face. Take me straight to outer space. Come and lay with me in our treasure trove. Kiss on
Debatable.
Warm up.
Hey, y'all follow me on IG. I'm famous. Oh. The vlog.
It is.
with your eyes open, so you could see me when I'm melting. Kiss me with your eyes open. They dilate when you hold me close. Kiss me with your eyes open. Kiss me with your eyes open. Sometimes I trip and think.
You only got me when I was like going into the gym with the cart, and I was like,
She don't like cameras in it. My favorite video. She's like, stop!
every time I see someone like
Why? I cut everything but that part. I just have that as a clip. Just that.
Okay, I am not a meme.
Can we please? I'm gonna send it
let's
just so
make
you can
cookies.
see.
When is Vine coming back?
I don't know. You wanna be? I can't tell. Wait, don't. Y'all about to get.
y'all about to get.
But yeah. Cookie, you said you want to be in the.
Hi.
Any
Guys.
test-
It's Brooke here, everyone.
Wait, what? Service.
Wow. Come through. I am. I want to try it. Hi, Phoebe.
Is he gonna like park going on YouTube?
No.
Are you gonna make a Naples follow me on Instagram?
Am I gonna what?
This is the Naples High School winter guard vlog.
Yes, it is.
Yay!
Hi.
Wow, Jason.
The eagles on the back are so cute.
Ready? 1, 2. Up. Gabrielle, you gotta get your hands underneath that truck. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Push. Move your feet.
You guys are strong.
Which one?
I know his name.
Turn it sideways and go straight across.
Uniforms from last year. And my dad's
Last
I mean,
still
today,
there.
today, this morning.
Not your dad's coat.
No, my dad's shoe.
Oh.
I went
From
It's like black. I don't see it. Oh,
I don't-
not see it.
Wow.
It's the smallest black dot ever. I
You
just got
must
him
have gotten
done.
hit hard.
I know. I went boom.
I'm vlogging somewhere. Sorry.
4 hours, maybe for like 15 minutes.
Beautiful. Thank you, ladies.
Nice. Alrighty.
So you could see me when I'm melting. Kiss me with your eyes open. They dilate when you hold me close. Kiss me with your eyes open.
We are here, still at Plant City. Ooh.
Performed, got good reviews, got good feedback.
Woo. Shaya, how do you feel?
Anyways,
Shaya, how
I'm
do you
not feeling it right now.
Shaya, why not?
I'm not feeling it.
Okay, Shaya. She doesn't want to.
Because I'm
You know.
famous. You
Jordan.
can try, you know?
How do you feel?
Lopsided. I feel hungry.
Hungry? I'm hungry too.
I'm starved.
When do we eat?
Right now it's lunch.
Right now it's lunch. How do you feel about our performance, Brooke?
Really good. You know,
I want to do that thing.
It's our first show.
I want to do that thing to the camera where you go, ready,
What?
reverse it.
I can't. Not while I'm recording. No?
Okay, and just get the camera this way.
Ew.
You know, you see that and they like cut out pieces of the vlog.
Ew.
And then they're like, like,
My name Phoebe. I like biscuit.
Line up again. We're gonna wait for the other two coaches.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty too.
I'm gonna drink some aloe.
Some aloe? Cool. Okay, there's another guard passing by. Stay straight line. Don't get in their way. They're like right there, Phoebe. Say something. I dare you.
Hi.
Ew.
And
Oh, look at you guys. You guys do look good. Come on. Go! Okay!
We do that?
Do what?
Private school kids, can they be in the garden?
What do you mean?
Like if I have a private school, I can
Probably. I don't know. You gotta ask. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, well, I don't know now, but. And we're off. Like half and half. Like I'm probably gonna like just use iMovie, honestly. Yeah, but it works on my. Guys, good performance today. Yeah, I'm so proud of all of you.
thank you.
Woo. Thank you. I try, even though
His eyes. Zoom in on your eyes.
I can't. I can't zoom in. Wait, can I not? No, I can't.
Look at me with your sleepy eyes. All the oxen free, we don't have to hide. I just wanna touch your face. Take me straight to outer space. Come lay with me in our treasure trove. Kids don't know what it's like to fall.
Gabby? Shaya, let's go. Oh, you trying for leadership? Huh? Shaya, come on, let's go.
They dilate when you hold me close. Kiss me with your eyes open.
Feasting today.
Does he got like little strawberries?
They're cold.
Hey, that's like polar opposites.
What?
What do you mean what? It's like greasy pizza
Balance it
and then
out.
like strawberries.
You balance it out. Healthy, unhealthy.
It cancels it out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Cool.
Already got my exercise in today. I'm good.
Are y'all hungry? You hungry, Jordan? Oh, okay, never mind.
Get this. Get that.
Yo. Ew. Ew. Are you okay, Summer?
My pedicure, bro.
You're like, my pedicure. My pedicure. I'm so sorry. Are you hungry, Christina?
I'm really hungry. I'm gonna get some Nutella dipped strawberries.
Nutella and strawberries. How about you, Gabby? You hungry?
Yes.
I don't know what I'm gonna
Okay, well, find the spot.
The strawberries look pretty good.
They do look good. Shay, how about you, girl? But you get it.
It's not cold water.
Huh?
It's not cold water.
Okay, but you can, like, drink it and fill it with cold water. Shaya, it's not that big of a good deal.
Kiss me with your eyes open.
It was on the side, bro.
What's up?
Is it Christina 1474? Yeah. Salami. Pepperoni.
Ew.
Cheese.
Them guards' eyebrows need to come down a little bit.
See ya.
Wow. Oh, wait.
Waiting to go inside. Oh,
Here we go.
Going inside. Okay, wait. Oh, not yet.
Your sleepy eyes. All the oxen free, we don't have to hide. I just wanna touch your face.
And we're on our way back to the bus.
On the way back.
Wait, Phoebe, what? Oh, you're so small. I love it. It's so cold in here.
Colder outside.
True. Oh, there's Mackenzie. I wish.
Not coming back with us. She's going back with us.
Mackenzie, you're not coming back with us? Okay. Bye.
No, I'm not.
Ew.
No.
Yeah, you guys, I'm proud of all of
There was
us.
another guard.
No, I know. Oh, it's cold. Okay.
I'm proud of us, so.
Yeah, I'm proud of us too, guys. That was a really good run.
Like, we can definitely
What?
improve
Bathroom? All right. You heard it was like, in sixth place. And I was just like, ooh. Yeah. Curse, what's wrong? Where y'all going? Where's the bathroom?
She said, don't worry about it.
Preach, Haley.
Now watch me whip. We're like cheering, or we're all looking at the watch me whip. Yeah! Watch me nene. Now watch me whip.
Down a dirty path. But you bring me back, put me on track. I'm being crazy. You took me in, brought me to life. Now I'm in paradise. We should stay like this forever. How could anything be better? Kiss me with your eyes open.
No flash. There's a lady like videotaping with her flash on. I'm like, ma'am, there's lights in the gym.
With your eyes open. Dilate when you kiss me with your eyes open.
It made it look so oily, too.
I don't think it was the lighting, but okay. Anyway, anyway.
Kiss me with your eyes open.